Since day one, Skycatch has been on the field with customers, learning from them, working with them, and really shaping the future of our technology and our product with them. And I think that is at the essence of what makes our product so powerful and so valuable.
My name is Fabio Ribeiro. I'm a technology strategist for Aura Minerals. There are several ways where we can use Skycatch technology to obtain gains in efficiency. One of them is controlling billing. As we are paying contractors to remove dirt by volume, we can measure using Skycatch more precisely how much dirt they're moving, and then we can control their billing with more precision. Then there's enormous gains. If we improve just 1% margin of error in the measurement, we're already talking about over $300,000 a year in just one mine.
Skycatch will actually, we give them a file, a GCP coordinate system, and they'll actually give us a file back that's projected into the correct coordinate system. The fact that I'm able to append the RCP file from Autodesk Recap that came from Skycatch and bring it in, and it pops right into our model. We had an electrical contractor, and they were stubbing up, they were running some conduit or some duct banks with conduits in it. Their stub ups were not in the correct spot. We caught it just in time, but the amount it would have cost to redo that work, as far as rework, you're looking at maybe around $500,000. That one instance, $500,000. So, on a 5-year mega project site, you're in the millions.